Hi everyone, it's Vicky here from Crafty Heaven and thank you very much for joining me today. And today I have a haul from Craft Stash and I thought I would share it with you. So this is mostly items from the Simply Made Crafts by Helen Griffin's collection, and I actually got this collection and this stamp set out of my own money. So this is not for my design team. Unfortunately I was poorly and I was a bit late to be able to receive this collection for my design team, but I still wanted to get the collection, so I got it. So I thought I'd come on and share it with you. I will also leave the links in the video description bar below, so if you wanted to get your hands on these, then you can do. I'll put links in the description bar of individual items, or if you wanted to get the bundle. The first thing I picked up was the album collection stamp set. I'm not actually sure which collection this is from. I know this is one of her old stamp sets, so it's been out a while. But I actually got this for the Place Photo Here stamp for my mini albums. So I picked up that, but as you can see, it's got the months, and then you've got family, memories, and this journaling line stamp here, special keepsakes, and then you've got the numbers at the bottom. So really nice stamp set, but I mostly got it for this stamp here. So there's that one. So now we're going to get into this gorgeous collection that's just been released, and this is the Bee Garden collection, and I actually went for the bundle, which was £79, I think it was, don't quote me on it, but yeah, so I just went for the whole lot and just got it as a bundle. So I'll show you the dies first, and then I'll show you the stamp set and the gorgeous papers. So that goes with that. You have to excuse the noise, that's my dog in the background. So what I love about Helen's collection is she brings out dies for making mini albums, and you know I love making mini albums, and I wanted to try the dies where you can make the mini albums using these, so I'm really excited. So this one is the small album die set, and the good thing about this is you can make it portrait or landscape. So yeah, how great is that to have two different options. So as you can see, you've got the pockets here, you've got the tab, and then obviously you've got the spine sections here, and then you've got this beautiful border decorative die there. Then I got the small twist and pop die set, and this is where you make a card, and when you open it up, these sections here pop out. What I'll do is I'll link the videos on Helen's channel of how to make these, and you'll see exactly what these are, you know, what they're made up like and what they're used for. Just so you can see the what they look like. We have this wreath here and some flowers and leaves, and then you've got the happy birthday. We have the small Ornate Waterfall die set, so you can see it makes this waterfall section that goes into your album, or you can put it on the front of your cards, and you could use, you know, the rectangle shape. You have a good few options there. And then the next die, we have the small honeycomb die set. Look how cute those elements are. And then we have the happy beautiful day words dies here, and the honeycomb, so love that. Then we have the stamp set and matching die to go with that. So we have the Bee Garden Journal stamp set. Look at the size of that bee. How gorgeous is that? In fact, let me take this off so we can see, but look how gorgeous that bee is. And then we've got the sentiments. We've got enjoy the small things, be happy, hello, just because, buzzing by to say hi, believe. And then again we've got the journaling stamp here, and then some smaller bees, and then we've got the matching dies to go with that set. So yeah, absolutely love that. And then finally we have the beautiful patterned papers. So I'm going to get these out to show you. So this is 12 by 12, 24 single-sided sheets, 250 GSM, and you get 3 sheets of each design. Oh my god guys, this paper is gorgeous. Okay, so we have all these different cut-out pieces, and look at the size of that bee. Wow, he's huge. And then we've got all these different flowers and another bee. How cute are they? And then we have the gorgeous patterned papers. I'm just going to quickly show you. Look at that. Wouldn't that be perfect for scrapbooking? I'm not into scrapbooking, but yeah, I still love that pattern paper. Look at that. And then we have this one of all the bees. And this one. Just stunning. And then again, another scrapbook paper. Beautiful. And then we're back to the different cutouts. So absolutely stunning collection from Helen by Simply Made Crafts. And I hope that you enjoyed this haul. Again, links will be in the video description bar below as well if you wanted to get your hands on these. And keep an eye out, because I'm sure I'll be making some projects using this. In fact, I've actually got one in mind, and obviously it's going to be a mini album, but it's going to be a 3D mini album. So, you know, like it, oh, I don't want to give too much away. How could I say it without giving too much away? Beehive. Okay, let's just leave it at that. Okay. So I'm gonna play around, have a go, and then I'll bring it to you, hopefully, if I can get it right. Yeah, anyway guys, take care, and I will see you very soon. Bye.